Hello students, today I am explaining you intermediate first year 1A chapter 3 matrices important questions. Here we have one question. First question, without expanding the determinant, show that mod of b plus c plus a plus b, c plus a plus b, b plus c, a plus b, b plus c plus a is equals to 2 into mod of a b c b c a c a b. So let's solve the problem. So here given LHS is equals to mod of b plus c and c plus a plus b, c plus a and write a plus b and b plus c, and this one a plus b, b plus c and c plus a. Now I am applying first row operation. Applying first row operation is R1 plus R2 plus R3. So I am doing the first row. This is the row. The first row operation is what? R1 plus R2 plus R3. So in this place, now I am writing this one plus and this. And in this place I am writing this one plus and a plus b and b plus c. And in this place I am writing a plus b and b plus c and c plus c. Yes, now I am doing R1 operation. So already I told you R1 operation is what? R1 plus R2 plus R3. So here it is c, p plus c plus c plus a plus a plus b. And in this place we have to write c plus a plus a plus b plus b plus c. And here we have to write a plus b plus b plus c plus c plus a. And remaining R2 and R3 write as it is. So c plus a plus b, and here is what? B plus c. And the third row is a plus b, and here c plus a, b plus c, and this is one is c plus a. Yes, we simplify the first row. A plus a is 2a plus b plus b is 2b plus c plus ca is 2c. Like that, a plus a here also 2a plus 2b plus 2c, and that is also 2a plus 2b plus 2c. A plus a is 2a, b plus b is 2b, and c plus c is 2c. And in this, a plus a is 2a, b plus b is 2b, and c plus c is 2c. And remaining these two, R2 and R3 write as it is. This is what? C plus a and a plus b, and this is b plus c. And write a plus b, b plus c, and c plus a. So after writing this, see, from this in the R1 we take 2 common. So what can we write now? Mod of 2 into a plus b plus c, and here 2 into a plus b plus c, and in this place is also 2 into a plus b plus c. And write the remaining c plus a and a plus b and b plus c. And this one is a plus b, b plus c and c plus a. So after this we can take this 2 is common. 2 can take common, then 2 is coming out. 2 mod of a plus b plus c, and here it is a plus b plus c, and it is here a plus b plus c, and write the R2 and R3 as it is. C plus a plus b, b plus c, and a plus b, b plus c, c plus a. Yes, in RHS we got 2. What do we have the RHS? So 2 into mod of something is there. So here we got 2. So now we want to simplify this mod part. See, now I am applying R2. I am doing R2 operation is as R2 minus R1. And also R3 operation is what? R3 minus R1. So for this I am writing R1 is as it is 2 mod a plus b plus c, and a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c. And R2 operation is what? R2 minus R1. This is R2 and it is R2 minus R1. R2 is C plus A minus R1. R1 is A plus B plus C. And here A plus B minus A plus B plus C. And here B plus C minus A plus B plus C. And R3 operation is what? R3 minus R1. R3 minus R1. So write A plus B minus A plus B plus C. And here it is B plus C minus A plus B plus C. And here C plus A minus A plus B plus C. So after this we can write it now. 2 mod of A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, and A plus B plus C. So I am opening this bracket. So what it will be now? C plus A minus into plus minus A, and it is minus B and minus C. And here A plus B, and open the bracket now with minus into A minus B and minus C. Minus A minus into plus is minus B, and minus into plus is minus C. And this is also same like that, B plus C minus A minus B minus C. Now the R3, A plus B, now open this bracket with minus A, and minus into plus minus B, and minus into plus minus C. And this is now B plus C minus A minus B minus C. And write this C plus C as it is minus A minus B minus C. Now here we can cancel plus A and minus A, and plus C minus C, and minus A plus A minus B plus B, and here plus B minus B, and plus C minus C, and minus A plus A minus B plus B, minus B plus B minus C plus C, minus A plus A minus C plus C. Yes. After we cancel it, write the first row as it is. A plus B, A plus B, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, and A plus B plus C is the first row. And after we cancel here in the second row, so what are the remainings? Here minus B is remains, and in here minus C is remains, minus A is remains. In third row, minus C is remains, minus A is remain, and minus B is remain. So after we write the remaining matrices, so write 2. Now we are applying applying R1 plus R2 plus R3. Now I am going to do R1 operation. The R1 operation is what? R1 plus R2 plus R3. So this is the R1. So this R1, now I am doing is what? R1, so R1 plus R2 plus R3. See, I am writing this 2 as it is, this 2 is as it is. R1 is what? A plus B plus C. And R2 is minus B and R3 is what? Minus. And here A plus B plus C is R1 and R2 is minus C and R3 is what? Minus A. And here A plus B plus C minus A and minus B. And right now R2 and R3 elements as it is. So minus B, minus C and minus A. And R3 elements minus C, minus A and minus B. Minus B. So after write this, we can cancel plus B, minus B, plus C, minus C. Here minus C plus C, minus A plus A. Minus A plus A, minus B plus B. Now the remaining elements are 2 into mod of A remains here, B remains, in this C remains. And R2 elements are minus B, minus C and minus A. R3 elements minus C, minus A and minus B. See, after writing this, write this 2 as it is, mod of, right, this 2 is as it is, mod of A, B, C. From this second row, I am taking minus common. I am taking what? Minus common. Then we can write B, C and A. And minus C, minus A and minus B. And it is what? Minus 2. 2 into minus, minus 2 mod of A, B, C. First row I am writing as it is, and B, C, A. Second row is also I am writing as it is. From third row I am taking minus common. Again I am taking minus common from the third row. So into minus. So then C remains and it is A and it is what? B. So now this is what? Minus into minus is plus, plus 2. 2 into mod of, so A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B, this is what? RHS. Therefore, we conclude, therefore, LHS is equals to RHS.